Morning guys, so I just woke up and today, January 14 of 2026, I'm gonna take you guys to the office because it's gonna be, this vlog is about a day in my life. So bye for now. Maliligo muna ako guys. I'm gonna arrange my things muna guys. Syempre, should arrange your bed first whenever you woke up guys. So, eto na tayo guys. Nandito na tayo sa office. Kakakating ko lang. And ayan, magsalamin muna tayo guys. So, check muna natin kung okay ba. Kasi dumiretso lang ako guys. Hindi na talaga ako nakapag mascara ng eyelashes ko. And ito, work na tayo guys. So, ayan yung table ko, yung office table namin. At ayan guys, may kape tayo. Nagkape tayo ngayon. So, swak, isang Nescafe stick with sugar guys. So, sobrang lamig din kasi ngayon dito kasi umulan. Then, lunchtime guys, ito yung lunch natin, butter. At sobrang sarap at siksik talaga. So, gusto ko talaga yung pattern nila. And it's 5 PM na guys. So, bumili muna ako dito sa Watsons. At ito, sumakay na ako pa uwi. Kasi bumili talaga ako sa Watsons guys. Ito siya. So, that's all guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And see you in my next video. Bye! So, that's all guys for today. Thank you for watching thank you for watching my short vlog guys. Bye!